Hello, hi. This is Ben Daniel, Chief Editor for Packaging Middle East and Africa magazine. I'm here at Husky Technologies booth at Drink Tech Munich 2025. A very impressive booth that I find here, and it's a pleasure to be here with Dave Morton.
Welcome, Ben. Good to see you, and thank you for the opportunity. We're excited to be here at Drink Tech. We're excited to welcome many guests here onto our booth. We have many new products to launch and bring into the marketplace, and we're pretty pleased with the reception we're getting from the
Brilliant. Dave, let's start with Husky's outlook. You're a global company. You're doing pretty well around the world. With all these new innovations that I see here, where do you see Husky as a company moving forward? Because sustainability is the focus now. From virgin PET to rPET, you're already in that journey, as you mentioned that you're not having any compromise on that. So tell us more about that, your future.
Excellent question, Ben. Thank you. It's been a journey for Husky. We started our life as a company over 75 years ago as a high-performance mold maker, and we've grown in our journey from there, focusing on performance in terms of output, transitioning over the years to think about efficiency and lowest total cost of ownership, and in more recent years, focusing really more in terms of the sustainability. And how can we not only provide solutions that enable sustainability, but help our customers to achieve their goals?
Brilliant. Let's talk a little bit about your global premiere that I see here. iPad 6E, the 200 cavity. Tell us more about it.
Thank you. I'm very excited to talk about the 200 cavity. This is the world's leading highest output preform system. 200 cavity, we're running this 6.9 gram preform at a 5.6 second cycle. This machine right here will produce over 130,000 preforms per hour. That's over 1.1 billion preforms a year. So it is a super high output system where we make no compromises. The super high output enables a very low total cost of ownership, but it also has a low energy footprint, and we're running 100% rPET. So there's no compromise on sustainability either. So we're enabling our customers to meet each one of their goals. This is only one of the products that we're launching here. Also here at Drink Tech, this is the launch of our new NX6 mid-volume PET platform. So especially for emerging and developing areas, new brands and maybe brand customers that are looking to expand, we have a mid-volume platform, which delivers, again, high performance, sustainability, but at a middle output range, right, at an affordable entry point.
Brilliant. Let's move on to the area of enterprise. You're speaking about this advantage enterprise. You are very good at meeting customers' requirement as a standalone. Now, tell me more about this advantage enterprise.
Excellent. Thank you. It's Advantage Plus Enterprise is a good example of our journey in terms of adding more services to support our customers. We've started life as a hardware company, but we've grown to be so much more than that in terms of a systems provider, and now is in terms of a whole ecosystem of services and support for our customers, from even in the application phase before they start to their staff and to maintain their equipment and to maintain high levels of productivity. And they're looking for our support to make sure that they can stay at top-notch productivity. 5 years ago, we launched the Advantage Plus Elite program, where we're providing 24/7 proactive monitoring of their systems with experts on call intervening before they have downtime. Advantage Plus Enterprise takes us to the next level, where we're providing that level of support at a corporate level across multiple plants and helping them manage their entire fleet.
Right.
Again, with the goal of helping them manage the economics of their entire organization.
And let's move on to the next important area, which is sustainability.
Yes.
So you've been in this area of innovating your solutions to really make sustainability sustainable.
Yeah.
In both from a structure and a format and a product standpoint, and also to make it more sustainable for the customer to be. So tell us, what is your sustainable advantage? So many sustainable solutions I see across Drink Tech. How does Husky set itself apart?
Sure, absolutely. Sustainability we see as being an existential issue for our industry. It's imperative that we support and defend the most sustainable types of packaging. And we are big fans of PET as a material, polyolefins, and other sustainable recyclable materials. So what stands Husky apart is that we're looking to provide not just one piece of hardware, but we have our whole rPET Sustainability Center, you can see here in our booth, where we're looking to educate consumers, customers, and especially legislators in terms of good, thoughtful sustainability legislation and schemes that will help enable more sustainable use of materials. We carry that into our systems itself, and you can see how every element of the system, starting from this revolutionary vacuum dryer, specifically designed around rPET processing, the design of our classification units designed for sustainable materials, even how we clean the system and we close loop correct for quality within the system. Each element is thoughtfully designed to support sustainability. And then in the after use, we're also involved again in terms of a recycling system and even how customers are taking care of their people and of their product.
Brilliant. Tell us a little more on your closures. I've seen quite a lot of innovations happening in the closure space.
Sure.
Yeah. What do you have new over here?
Sure. What's really new is some pretty interesting advancements we've made in the PET closure. So closures traditionally are made out of either polypropylene or high density polyethylene, which are good materials. But we've taken it to the next level to a truly circular material, which is a PET closure, which required some pretty interesting advances in terms of design, technology, sealing in particular. And what we're showcasing here at the DrinkTech show is a new technology for actually sealing and providing tamper evidency of that closure onto the package. This is all in support of what we see as being the ultimate goal here, is the 100% PET package. We piloted our PET closure last year at the NPE show in the US at a lab scale. And what we're showing right here is how we've scaled this up, industrialized it, and made it real. We're now running this PET closure security system at a 45,000 bottles per hour rate. So it's really showing that we can make it real and make it ready for industrial use.
Brilliant. What's your message for the Middle East and Africa region? Because that's the region we represent.
For sure.
And it's a very important region for Husky, I suppose.
Absolutely.
So for Husky Middle East and Africa customers and for the readers of Packaging Middle East and Africa, what's your message from DrinkTech?
Yeah. My message for our customers, our valued customers and friends in the Middle East and Africa region, is we are very attuned to the needs in the region. And we start, first of all, with having a safe package. We don't want to take safe drinking water, having a safe material for granted. And for that reason, we are in support of PET packages as a way of safely and hygienically conveying drinking water and essential needs to the market. So we want to support solutions that enable that. We want to make sure our solutions are affordable. That's why we focused on having the lowest total cost of ownership, the lower package price to make that package affordable. And then finally, we need to make sure that that package is sustainable in terms of solutions that enable use of sustainable material, making sure the end package is recyclable. So the net result is that we can deliver for you and enable you to deliver to your customers safe, affordable, and sustainable packages. I'll add onto that we're really focused here at DrinkTech in terms of beverages and bottle type packages, but we know many of our customers are also involved in food packaging. And for that matter, outside of this show, at the K Show in Dusseldorf next month in October, we'll be launching the global premiere of our packaging platform. It's called the Hielectric 6. Come and see it. It will be running at the show at K Show. We'd be happy to show you for your packaging needs. And then, of course, we'll bring all this together for the Middle East and Africa market at Gulf Food in November, where we'll be showing the latest of our innovations.
Brilliant. Dave, it was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And wishing you all the best for the rest of the show. And look forward to seeing you at K Show.
Excellent. See you there, Ben. Thanks.